In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate your video content using Kapwing. If you're looking to make your videos accessible to an international audience, translating your subtitles is a great way to start. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you need to upload your video into Kapwing Studio. You can do this conveniently by dragging and dropping your video file directly onto the platform. If your video is hosted elsewhere, say on YouTube or another site, you can also import the video by using the URL. Kapwing supports both methods, giving you flexibility in how you choose to upload your content. Once your video is in the Kapwing Studio, you'll want to direct your attention to the interface on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Subtitles. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can manage your subtitles and translations. Alternatively, you might notice options like Translate or Translate Video appearing in the sidebar. These will also guide you to the translation features you'll need. If your video doesn't already have captions, don't worry. Kapwing offers a handy tool called Auto Subtitles, which can generate a transcript for you. This is particularly useful if you haven't pre-baked captions into your video or if you're dealing with audio that's not pre-captioned. Let the tool process your video, and in a short while, it will provide you with a set of subtitles based on the audio within your video. This step is key because, without a transcript, we can't proceed with translation. Now that you have your subtitles ready, the next step is to translate them. Kapwing makes this part easy by offering translation into over 100 languages. Look for a Translate button or icon, which should be prominently displayed in the subtitles interface. By clicking this, you'll be prompted to select the language you want to translate your subtitles into. Go ahead and choose the desired language. Once you've made your selection, Kapwing will automatically work its magic and translate your subtitles. It's important to note that while automated translations can come close, it's always a good idea to review the translated text for any errors or tweaks that might be needed based on the context or nuances of the original content. This ensures that your translated content maintains the intended meaning and clarity for your new audience. And that's it. You've now successfully translated your video using Kapwing, making it accessible to a wider audience. By following these simple steps, you can break language barriers and connect with viewers from all around the globe. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials to enhance your digital content creation skills.